And Rob, I have to say, it looks like they really want to play for you as well.
Yeah, that's... It's never been in doubt, that. Yeah.
Rob, I know it's been a really difficult week, a lot of noise from people.
A lot of noise.
What kind of message does this send out?
Well, action speaks louder than words, Sinead, and that's it. We don't need it. I'm sick and tired of keep coming on. I'm going to talk about my future, and let's just talk about the lads and the performances. Young JJ's played like he's, a 30-year-old experienced professional against the best midfield in world football. Incredible. I'm so proud of them. Like I said, it's I get emotional at times because I'm just proud of them, and they deserve all the plaudits they're going to get tonight.
And the action carries on next month, Rob. 2 games to go.
Can't wait for it already. We cannot wait to get on camp. When I've got a group of players like that and staff, we can't wait to meet up and get ready for the next game.
Rob, you're going to have me crying in a bit now, but huge well done. Diolch yn fawr.